17, I am putting the restriction. Conductor settling operations. This is
just for discussion purpose. Okay, when go for the drilling, tripping, running, casing, completion operation. Okay, at that time, we are please keep it there. Okay, you can see first for hot work. Okay, restricted. Let me copy the Excel sheet. Cheers.
correct.
You put everything R. One is R5. You captured R5. What is
R5 is what is lifting activity. Because this I made is lifting activity should have follow the lifting activity because this is critical. Other is general restriction, and
please,
this is only for
please go back to the one matrix.
Yeah.
Okay, here hot work is okay. Critical work, working at height and confined space entry. This R is there.
So okay, I got what you're saying. Okay, so I will. Okay, I understand what you're saying. So see, if you put R5 or simple R, doesn't matter because you are going to have the separate risk assessment for this. Even I'm happy to make it R. Right, Vijay?
Okay. You see, column AM, testing NDT, non-RT radiography. Okay, AM you captured. Against that AM, you're putting R, but in your definition, you are given the definition as R4.
Which one, Vijay?
Okay. R4 is exposure of radiation during RT and NDT. Okay.
R4.
Okay. But go back to this SMOS matrix.
Yeah.
You captured as it is column AM. Column AM. Against that AM.
AM, yeah, this one, okay.
You captured as R.
Okay, I understood. Okay, I understood.
For everywhere you captured like that R, like since we defined it already, it should be according to the definition.
R4. Okay. I will put. I will take on note. I will take one note here for parking for me. It correct the restriction from R1 to R1 to R9 in the drilling section. Drilling section will be specified. Okay, I agree. I will do it.